Guys, today my shoutout would be going to the King of Random. Make sure you guys subscribe to him, like his video, and turn on notifications. Okay guys, today I'll be showing you how to make, well, not how to make, but how, so if I were to plug in this plasma globe, you know there's these cool things. And a few YouTubers, including the King of Random, have tried breaking it to see if these plasma beams will come out. But sadly they won't. But I have done research and found a way that you can. So this glass is not conductive. It will not conduct electricity. See that I can put my fingers on it. I will not get shocked in any way. But foil is. But this energy can jump through this foil. And I can use another conductive material to use this. It's sort of like a Jacob's ladder made out of high voltage electricity. I can use this to pull an electrical beam out of this, okay? So guys, this is a really cool video. I really enjoy doing this. Just so you know, make sure you have a watch of a parent or guardian, because you can get shocked. It is not enough to actually hurt you that much. I mean, you get a little black specks on your fingers. I don't know if you can't really see mine, but you just try to find. Yeah, you can't really see them because they're that small. So guys, make sure you're safe. You can use these small ones, but you can also use bigger sizes. Just the stream will be a little bit bigger. Most likely you get shocked when you put the foil on, or if you touch any of the conductive material while the foil is on. So first of all, you're just going to take this foil and kind of put it on, and I'll show you that you can get shocked. There's a bit of a plasma beam actually. There's black dirt to my finger. I don't know if you guys can see it because the camera's not the best. So it is very hard to see on camera, I think. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn this plasma dome off, so I can just put the foil on more evenly. Trying to flatten it out. It's actually touching the glass, so it will conduct more. So let me just put this on. Sorry, this is not my normal studio. I'm doing it in the office because I have no idea. I do recommend using a pencil. You can use a screwdriver, but pencils do make a bigger. You can use anything pretty much conductive. You can just roll up a piece of tinfoil, use a pocket knife, I don't know. But so far, pencil has worked the best for me. So I just want to show you guys the cool things you can do with this. It's like super trippy. You can like bring this beam slightly outside of the glass. The bigger the globe or the more voltage, the longer string you can make without breaking it. And another cool thing is I just have a random sticky note. And if you can look in that corner, there's some writing at the top. That is actually all from this burning through. So if you were to just put it on, let me rip off a piece because I am one-handed. Because once again, in all my videos, I just forget to grab my tripod, so I can't really film this right. So. But if I put this on, it's not stable, but it won't, so it won't burn as well. But if I just leave this on for a second, it will make these tiny little black dots, and you kind of slightly draw. Just like guys, background noise. So guys, there's really not that much to explain because I haven't played this for that long. But I recommend you guys purchase a plasma globe because they are really cool. You can do a lot of cool things with them. And they're just cool in general. I really like these things, so I recommend purchasing them. I purchased mine on Amazon. It does have a butterfly in the middle because I just found the cheapest one so I can do this video. I'm going to keep it, so hope you guys like this video. And I will see you guys next time. And I think I'm going to start doing some science videos because I like this. This is cool. So once again, guys, hopefully you like this video, and I will see you guys next time. Goodbye.